So this is a 2019 Massey Ferguson 8740S, done a VT. So that's 400 horsepower with a 50k Vario gearbox. It's equipped with front linkage, front PTO, 2 front spools, external front linkage control. It's on a hydraulically suspended front axle. Slight bit of rust showing through on the black grin in places, but very minor. Other than that, the front bodywork's in good condition. It's got pivoting front mud guards. Front tyres are Trelleborg 665 R34s. About 80% tread remaining. Cab glass in good condition. It's got front LED work lights, twin beacon, diesel and AdBlue. Rear fender's in good condition. It's on a sliding rear bar axle. Rear tyre is a Trelleborg 710 75 R42. About 80% tread remaining. And there is a 250 kilogram wheel weight both sides. Cat 3 rear linkage, and then there is external linkage and spool control on both the left and right hand side fender, and then just external PTO control on the left hand side fender. LED rear work lights, hydraulic top link, 5 rear spools with these decompression levers for quick decoupling. Power beyond, load sensing, air and hydraulic trailer brakes. It's also on a suspended cab. Small amount of wear on the trailer hook. Rear right hand tyre, also Trelleborg 710. Very minor wear. Approximately 90% on the rears. Exhaust stack's in good condition, hasn't been dented or bent. This track's only just come off farm, so it is dirty, which we will clean shortly. The front right tyre, also a Trelleborg 600. So in the cab of this A740, most of the cab trim and plastic's in really good condition. Could just do with a clean. Passenger seat in immaculate condition. There's an air suspended leather driver's seat. Headline's in good condition, and you've got full climate control and a Bluetooth DAB radio. Then you've got a Datatronic screen, all electronic spools, and there are 3,398 hours on the clock. Starts or runs well. So this A740 is currently in stock at our site in Littleport, and it's still in full manufacturer's warranty, and there are finance options available with it. So if you'd like any more information or you'd like to come and have a look at it, please get in contact with us at Thurlow Nunn Standen.